What's up, guys? Today, we're going to go meet Brad the Bearded Piper. We're going to do a pipe trade, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. All right, guys, we're down here at the bench. It's starting to get messy again. Okay, like I was saying before, today I'm going to meet Brad the Bearded Piper. He's doing some stuff, I do believe, with his dogs, and he's going to be over my way. And a little bit of a background why I'm meeting him. He put out a video and it was about some pipes he had that, weren't his favorites. And we all have them. If you're a pipe smoker and you have your rotation, I'm sure you have a pipe or two that you're like, yeah. Well, I have a couple of those as well. Well, his was a Morgan Bones pipe. And I do believe he has a couple of them, but the one, it just wasn't hitting it for him. It just wasn't something that he goes to or something that he likes. Pardon me. So, I messaged him and said, hey, I got a couple pipes I don't like. And I know he likes to collect a certain brand of pipes. And I have a few of them. And I have one I got off of Brigham Pipes Reborn. He's up in Canada. And it was nice. I smoked it a bit, and then there's just something about it. It just didn't hit with me. It wasn't a pipe I went to, and it just sits around collecting dust, so to speak. So I said, hey, why don't we do a little trade? So, this is the pipe I'm going to trade. In my next segment, you'll see the pipe I get. This is the pipe I'm going to trade Brad. This is a Brigham 4-dot bent billiard, I'm going to say. It is an older Brigham. It has the metal tenon, I guess you would say. And it takes the maple rock filter. I did clean it up a little bit. I gave her a shine. I shined up the stem. Partially rusticated. Hopefully that's coming in there. But all in all, it is a very nice pipe. It's a very good pipe. I probably only smoked it a dozen times. It just never hit it for me. It wasn't my style, and I've always wanted a Morgan Bones pipe. So, as we do in this community, if you're in there, we're going to do a little trade. Plus, we're going to meet up, we're going to have a little lunch, and we're going to meet each other. Also, as in this community, you kind of develop friendships, but they're friendships through the phone, through the camera, through the computer screen, through the TV. There are a lot of people who aren't presenters, but they follow you and they watch your videos and they comment, and we always appreciate it. And you kind of develop a, oh, hey, so-and-so commented on my video, and you comment on their videos, or you chat back and forth. But oddly, in today's society, a lot of these relationships are just that. They're not an actual handshake and let's have a beer and have a taco. So anyway, I just wanted to throw this in. I'm going to change my clothes because I'm looking pretty, yeah. But I am making a new 5-position pipe stand. So that's why it's starting a little more messy in here. And right behind the camera there, I have one of my boards I started cutting last night and shaping it with some files. And I make these out of pallets because they're free. And I was going to make a video doing it, but I don't really know how to do that, and I am a terrible woodworker, so to speak. But maybe I'll make a little video after, or maybe shoot a little something else today. But hey, when I come back, we're going to see my new Morgan Bones pipe. So stick around. Okay, guys, mysteriously, I'm back. Did a nice meetup with Brad. We went out, we met at a local taco shop called Gato Tacos and Tequila, I do believe. It's about 15 minutes away, 20 minutes away from me, a little farther for Brad, that he was over here doing something my way, like I said before. So we had some tacos, we had a lot of good talking. I took some pictures. I'll throw some pictures in somewhere in this video of me and Brad. And we exchanged pipes. And this is what I got. A Morgan Bones. Let me get up here. Get that. Hopefully you can see that. I don't have my monitor on, so. But I really, really like it. It's a really sharp pipe, and it's really cool. It has the, you know, the little imperfections, which is kind of what they're known for. Truth to accuracy, this is a couple days later, because that night when I came home, some other things happened, and I didn't get to make the video. But I did clean the pipe out a little bit, run a pipe cleaner through it, clean it up. Figured today I'm going to pack me up a bowl, and what am I going to smoke out of my brand new Morgan Bones pipe? Some Palmetto Balkan. I was moving some stuff around, actually looking for something else on my shelves that have all my jars. This is why I need to redo them, because I have jars behind jars, and I didn't even realize that I had a good 4 ounces in a jar that's been sitting quite some time. So, let's see what happens. Ooh, that is a good blend. I already did my false light. Oh, that's great. I never did do a take on Palmetto Balkan. I think I need to. Hey, I do what he said, what he was saying about the bit. It is a very thick bit. And I don't mind that. Sometimes the thinner ones, I seem to even clinch even harder, and I seem to chew up a little more, so to speak. Like the cobs I have. I really, really bite down hard on them. He said he was having a problem with gurgling and stuff. It usually happens a little bit further down in the bowl, so time will tell on that one. And get a lit. All right, well, I like this pipe. I love it, and I really hope, Brad, when you watch this video, and we chatted back and forth a few times, I really hope that you like the Brigham that you got in the trade. I do know that you collect those pipes, and I hope that one works out for you, and hope you enjoy it. I can't wait to see your video to see what the first thing you smoke out of that guy is. He did give me some Arendelle Flake, the Lakeland blend I was talking about that he tried. And I may have smoked a little bit of that last night, and well, I'll let you guys wait for my take. Well, hey, I'm going to enjoy this bowl in my new to me Morgan Bones, and I'm happy. I'm liking it. It was really good meeting up with the man behind the channel, Brad the Bearded Piper. Go check his channel out. I'll leave a description below. And have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.